And it was not a sneak in. We published the names.
Na huku shule zikikaribia kufungua kwa masomo ya muhula wa pili, wazazi wanajikuna vichwa kuhusu karo ya watoto wao. Hata hivyo ni afueni kwao, kwani baadhi ya shule zimebuni mbinu za kuwapunguza mzigo wa karo kwa kuzungumza na taasisi za kutoa mikopo kama vile benki ili kuwaruhusu wanafunzi kusoma na wazazi kulipa karo baadaye. Mojawapo ya shule hizo ni shule ya Sunrise chini ya uongozi wa mhandisi Ben Kairu, ambapo wazazi na wana fursa ya kupata mkopo wa benki muda mfupi tu.
We've encountered parents who, despite their dedication, have struggled to pay the school fees for their learners. Unfortunately, such delays can interrupt students' access to education. When this happens, it is the learners who suffer the most. While our teachers do their best to help students catch up, the workload can be overwhelming and some learners fall behind. To launch a groundbreaking new solution, Study Now, Pay Later, this initiative allows parents to access school fees, ensuring that students can continue learning uninterrupted.
The vast majority of parents have had to put up with the struggle to pay school fees for their children, and often students have missed classes, and some have dropped out of school due to lack of school fees. Well, now Study Now, Pay Later is an ideal product to help parents access short-term loans with a repayment of up to 1 year at competitive prices.
I believe it is bringing a tremendous relief on parents, where we would not have to struggle in knowing that no matter our financial situation, our children